Right, good morning. This is your friendly neighborhood laundryman. I can swing from building to building, but I can help you get the most out of your new washers and dryers. So, for example, today we have the new Whirlpool WFW8620HC, and you may see that you have a problem actually powering this on. So, if I try to press this, or if I try to start it, nothing seems to be happening. Well, don't panic. It just means that the unit could probably be in control lock or child lock. The way to check that is you first start off by pressing the power button right here. Right here, the power button. And when you press that, you see there's a prompt on that 7 segment which says LOC, as in lock, which means the unit is locked. So the way to unlock this is to look for the button which says control lock. So it could be on the button itself, it could be right below it. So this one says hold 3 seconds for control lock. So that's the button right there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Voila. Now again you press power. There you go. Unit's working again. If ever you want to put it back in control lock, same thing. Keep it held. 3, 2, 1.